Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you and give you solution on how you can fix the Google Chrome sync is post. So if you already create a Google Chrome profile and sign into your Google account, but then when you try to open it, it shows that the Google sync is post just like this. You can see my account is a post, the thing is post now. So how to fix it? Now you can just simply click on this post or to see the account, and as you guys can see that I accidentally log out, or it's log out automatically when I close the file, the Chrome before. So to fix it, you can now just simply fix the thing is what you can just simply sign in again account in here that you use. You can enter the email or phone that you are using, and then you can here enter your password of your Google account. Then you can just tap on next, and just like that, within seconds your sync is post problem is fixed. Now the sync is back on. And that's all for me. That's how you can fix the sync post on Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, also click on the subscribe and thanks button. Bye.